And that's how I've successfully removed the check engine light from my car. As you can see, and all error codes gone. Yes, they are totally gone. So what's up, guys? This is like the continuation of my last video where I told you guys that I discovered that my car popped up the check engine light, that I have to use my car scanner to check it, and I discovered it's a P0141 error code which detects that I have a bad oxygen sensor too, like I showed you guys in that video, which is close to the catalytic converter. Yes, that's one connected to it. So eventually I bought a new one. I ordered it, it came, and I fixed it. After fixing it, I discovered that the check engine light actually vanishes and the P0141 error code is no longer there. Even in fact, I checked, we are going to carry out a practical test to see if I'm actually right or saying the truth or not. Now, before we proceed, it seems I'm not in a hurry this time around. Let me introduce myself. For those that are actually coming to this YouTube channel for the first time or stumbling upon my video, my name is Chibuzo Agua, and of course, you're welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel dedicated to technology, and I bring tutorials and I bring various teachings of which can help you in your day-to-day. It's more or less a do-it-yourself practical YouTube channel. So if you want to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. You get notified whenever I put up my next video. I carried out a car maintenance of one of my parts that was faulty, and it's like this video is like a continuation or a sequel to that last video. So now we are going to test it out and see if that error code will still appear, and also give you guys some link which you can easily buy the same oxygen sensor and maybe any other car parts if you're having a faulty one. It seems I dropped it in the link in the description of that video, so go check that video out. And if you want to get yours done, if you want to get your oxygen sensor fixed, definitely you should watch that video. Of course, I'm using a Honda Accord. Most of us that are familiar with my YouTube channel, of course, you must have seen my videos talking about my car over and over again. So now, without missing much of your time, let's go and check out if the error codes are no longer showing whenever I use my car scanner tool to check it, to diagnose it, and if the check engine light is still there or not. So now let's carry it out and see if I'm saying the truth or if I'm actually lying. So still carried out this diagnostics. I'm still using that same car scanner tool I used in that last video. So I've already connected it, so there's no way wasting your time showing you how to connect it, because if you're following me on my YouTube channel, definitely you must have known how to connect a car scanner tool to the Bluetooth port of your car. Just all you have to do is to locate where it is, connect it, and let's go. So now I've connected it. Now let's carry out the test and see if I'm actually saying the truth or telling a lie. So me looking at it, of course, you'll agree that this is the same car scanner tool I used in that last video. I've already connected it, just like I said earlier. It's a plug and play. It doesn't use battery, so it's already on. But the thing is that it's not yet connected to the car. So all we have to do to connect it to the car is the same process. Put your car key. Yes, don't really turn it on, just one step. Don't turn on the car. You don't need to start the car. So it's on, because if you don't turn it on, of course it wouldn't connect. Hold on. Okay, so now the next step is on, what's the next step? Is on diagnose. So we have to like click on it and see it's now linking to the vehicle. It's a practical teaching, so we'll see if all what I'm saying is right or wrong. Waiting for vehicle system setup. Even without proceeding, okay, diagnostics. So now the first one is let's see, read codes. Sorry if you actually not gotten the view clear. So it's now searching for codes. Oh, let me zoom in for you to see. Hold on, I want to still read the code. The message was so fast, I think you guys didn't see it. Let's read it. Hope you see it. So no codes are stored in the model. You see, as you can see, there's no codes detected. And let me now move to the car. Whoa, there is no check engine light still there. Only what you can see is the battery, and of course the fuel pump. Once I turn the car on, of course you agree both will vanish. Let me turn it on for you to see. Hold on, I'm using my one hand. As you can see, both the fuel indicator and the battery indicator is gone. As simple as that. Oh, let me switch it off. So you agree with me that it works and it fits in perfectly. So finally, the check engine light is gone, and of course my car is now working perfectly. So what's the message I'm trying to pass in this video? Like I've always told you guys, those of you watching me, that you can never underestimate the power or having a car scanner tool is very, very much important, because even on the go, you can easily check if your car is now developing a fault before you now eventually take it to a car repair shop or a mechanic. So you can't underestimate having this. In various videos of mine, I've dropped a link where you can purchase a cheap car scanner tool. If you go to the last video, of course, you still see it in the description of the video, how to get it and how to get an oxygen sensor if definitely that's the issue of your problem. So get this on the go. So that's just the purpose of my teaching. I'm not trying to show off, but I'm trying to let you know the importance of having a diagnostic tool. Check your car periodically, and if you discover a fault, try to fix it. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. I just want to show you guys that it's now working perfectly. Chibuzago remains my name. Blogging4Tech is the name of the channel. Go watch other car related videos that are in this channel, because not only dedicated to cars, like I say, it's technology. I put up tutorials on various aspects. So go watch this car video if you're interested in cars, because I know that's the more reason why the YouTube algorithm pushed this video for you to see. Go watch other videos about car and get your car fixed and always on the go. I don't want to drop a link in the description of this video. Go check other videos related to car. You see various links whereby you can purchase the product, especially if you're living in the US, UK, and Canada. So that's the end of this video. Bye bye for now.